So now we're going outside again because Popo and Lola doesn't know. They don't know where we parked. But here we are, here, like this. Oh, that's Megan. She's coming with us. Okay, so it was really hot inside the car, but the weather is not looking great today because Bagyong Inday just passed, or maybe Inday landed today. I don't know. I haven't really watched the news. But here we are searching for Pau Pau and Lola. Let's see, let's see. I think they're going to buy a lot. So we're heading again inside. Oops! Adade, be careful. Look at your left and your right. Okay. All clear. Oh, where's Megan?
She's may rambutan.
Oh, the mga ka. Maybe later inside the car. So here we are finding Lola. All clear. The flower shop. Lola is not here. They're not here because they are not buying flowers. Not here. Not here either. Coconut husk. Oh, 50 pesos only. Look at this guy. Yep.
No set of Lola.
Yeah, PC Lola. Oh, they're not here also. Not here and not here. I wonder where they went. I think they're in the Ginamos area, but I don't know where to go. Ina lang lang. No, I don't think they're here. White and purple red. They're not here either. Like, oh, they're cute. Very cute kids. I don't know. They're not here also. Not here. Not here. Oh, we're back. We don't know where they went. So now we're here at the fresh meat area. But you know what, guys? Lola always buys her money over here. And it's wet. Oh, I don't think they're here. Let's go back. Let's go back. So, Anadea, any thoughts? Thoughts? Yeah.
It's like a challenge.
Oh, what do you mean by a challenge?
Like finding Lola in this kind of place.
Did we come to here? I think let's move on to. Yeah, it's good that there's a lot of goods that are being sold here. If you're a person who has really sensitive smelling, you're sensitive to pungent smells, I don't think this place is for you.
Yeah, you need to wear face mask.
Yeah, you need to wear a face mask or you have to train your nose. Yeah. I wonder where they went. I think they're already done buying stuff and they're just searching for us at this point.
Finding Lola.
Finding Lola. Finding Lola 1. Yep. Nope. Oh, they're not here. My eyes are getting blurry. Oh, I think over there. Or wait, let me check. Or maybe it's just my eyes. Oh no, it's not. But if we find her Suki, ginamos, I think, oh, I think it's somewhere around here. Finding Lola. Sorry. Oh, okay. Nope.
Katulad na to ba? Katulad na
This
to.
is, I think, I remember this is where Lola buys her ginamos.
AI has been upgraded. Welcome back. Create high-quality
Yeah.
cinematic rain night portraits with our professional photographers.
Let's go. Oh, no, I think not here. I think we did a bad job at finding them because,
Do not give up. Do not give up.
yeah, I know, but this place is huge and there's only two of us and they don't. I mean, I can call Pau Pau, but it doesn't have Wi-Fi and data. Okay, let's do a recap of the day. Yeah. Upon coming here, which item did you want to buy the most?
The gummy and the gummy and the flowers.
I want margarine and flour because I want to cook something.
Really?
Yeah, but I did not bring any money with me today, unfortunately.
It's okay.
But wait, let me see.
Kasing gulat to sila ko.
Any signs will do. I think they're okay. Let's go here today. So hot. I shouldn't. I mean, earlier it was so cold. Yeah, because the wind was so strong. It was really windy. And look at the weather. It's not sunny. It's cloudy. Really, I don't know. But it's giving depressed vibes. Oh, Lola should buy one like that.
Yeah, that's like
Okay, we're here. Oh, puppy. Very cute. Okay, anyways. Oh, Domingo. It smells so good. But we don't have money, so. Oh, 20 pesos only. So cheap. Margarine. Margarine. But we have no signs of finding Lola and Pau Pau. Taka?
wala ay.
Like, I don't have great eyesight, so. Dito daw ta.
Oh, 200. Keychain pa yun. Distract na. What na? Hello.
Labubu, 140 pesos. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 20 divided by 140. 7. That's so cute. You should buy that.
Now we don't have money.
Oh, this one too. Clover. I prefer buying food. Cheesy too.
Ooh,
Oh my
I
god, we're distracted. Let's find them.
I want to go to
CR? The CR is for there.
But there's payment. Payment?
Let's go back and ask. Maybe we'll find Lola. Let's try one more time. But she is wearing white Pau Pau red. Oh, this is hard. Guys, I don't think we're gonna find them.
Don't give up.
Yeah, and Dea wants to go to the CR, but we don't have money. So the plan is we're going back and ask for money. Okay, ano Dea, let's give back.
And never mind, let's not go to CR.
Yeah, we're just returning to their car.
How do you feel about Panyalola?
Oh, it's okay. Why? How about you?
So tiring.
You know what? Now I understand how Claire feels because they has already stepped on my foot for like 3 times. But anyways, can't really find Lola. And maybe they're already inside the car waiting for us. But I don't think that's the case because buying for, you know, foods and products takes a lot of time. So I doubt they're already there. How about you, Dea? Do you think they're in the car already?
I think they're also searching for the car.
Oh, ooh, the coffee is still here. There's ice cream. Anyways, we're outside again. And I'm sweating bullets.
It's okay.
Crossing the street, look right and look left. Okay, no vehicles. We're safe. So yeah, that's how our searching went. We did not have any good results because we couldn't find them. So we're just returning, hoping. But Papa brought his phone with him, so maybe they'll just find us soon. Dili man mo park yung no?
Drive.
No. Okay, I think that Opa and Lola already knows how to get here. Ay! There's a lot of obstacles.
Watermelon is...
Oh, let's explore.
Let's explore more.
So guys, now that we're outside of the public market, we are